It's a very interesting to say that JavaScript, although is a programming language, but the purpose with which this language was initially built was quite different from what which is used right now.
Ah, interesting.
So the probably about 10 years ago, the concept of web was quite different, and the
Mm,
concept and the responsibilities of a web developer was totally different.
right.
So initially, what JavaScript was a toy language. So it was initially built to bring in some sort of dynamicity into an otherwise static page. So just to show or hide certain parts of your page, but then nothing more than that. But then what it was 10 years ago to what it is currently, building and powering huge applications from say Netflix, Facebook, Instagram. So it has been grown into a full blown language powering front end as well as the back end. So it's
Interesting.
something like, imagine you start building a bike which eventually became a rocket.
Wow. Okay.
So that's the evolution of the language in say 10 years.
Wow. Okay. And Harry, yourself, I mean, I'm assuming you started working with JavaScript back when it was very limited in its capabilities. Is that correct?
Yes. So when I initially started around the 2009, 2010, there was no framework, and the responsibility of a web developer was quite different from what it is right now.
Right.
So I get to see the point where it was just HTML, CSS, and some jQuery or JavaScript.
Right.
Life was pretty easy at that time because your responsibilities were pretty limited.
Yeah.
Then from that, over a period of, especially in the past 5 years, things has been spinning on its head like anything. New
Okay.
frameworks are coming, new workflows are coming. So it's an exciting field to be in.
Okay, okay, amazing. So, I mean, from what you're saying, Harry, obviously JavaScript started off as having very limited features and functionalities, maybe, but it has obviously evolved, and I'm assuming so has the role of the web developer as well in relation to someone who uses JavaScript.
Absolutely, and that is why this particular front end field, or in general the front end or back end field, is getting more exposure because there is more expected from the developer right now.
Okay.